Not sure exactly what I'm going to do. Probably heat it. Insert the largest piece of steel I can find and start to hammer the edges. See if we can work it back. Slightly bent here. Okay, we'll get the fire going. Make sure you got a flame. Okay, go ahead and get a big, go ahead and turn the inducer on. And we'll let her go that way. Heavy amount of gas works pretty well at first till it gets warmed up. If you go a little too light, it wants to burn itself out. So he'll take quite a bit of heat. I'll go ahead and let that heat, and then I'll come back to you with whatever item I have to try to get it straightened out. I think I have an item here that will probably work. Originally I thought about this bar that I dug up. See how it fits in there. It's going to have to be worked slowly, that's all there is to it. We will see. Oh, I need to move that in. Pretty good venturi going on that. Probably what will happen is I'll try to get it over the tool, and I'll just put a hammer to it. It'll probably kind of fumble around, so I have to make sure I have my heavy gloves on. I don't want the thing getting away from me. There. I'm just going to try hammering it. Worst case scenario, it'll crack. I'll just weld it. I don't know what else to do. Run this camera and try to work. That's coming back. Make sure my burner's okay. I don't know where I left it aiming. Get it by this. More heat to it. Okay, let's go over here. Let's see what we can do. Oops, wrong end. Coming back pretty well. You can see the heel needs to be drawn more down. Able to do it or not. Pliers get so hot. I don't have my hot gloves on. I just grabbed. Okay, we're gonna stop there. It's getting worse. Okay, we got to find something to drive down in to straighten that up. Let's drive that back. Okay, I'm back to the steel bar. I think what I'm going to do is try to put the bit under something, and then take the bar and bend it to go ahead and spread that thing back. I don't think I can get it in the vise and keep it red long enough, so I'm going to try to set something up here. Just not sure what. We'll see. hold fast. I'm just going to try to take it out of there with the tool. Let me bring the camera around. Okay, now I'm going to hit the right here. I think it's working. Still looks like it's still plenty red. Bent the rock. And it's still off some. Break that cement block. There it goes. Now I have two. Still hasn't come around. Okay, we're going to go to plan B. Got to hit it harder. To the steel bar, what I forgot about was this ground is hard as rock. As a matter of fact, there's a slab of cement underneath this gravel, so I'm going to go for it and let me clear that mulch. So right now it's smoke. I think we brought her back. We'll weld up the cracks tomorrow. It seems to be rounded up pretty well. Okay, so there we've got the mushroom part. We'll shape this up. We've got these cleaned for welds, and we'll get the interior cleaned there too a little bit. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit these. Go ahead and we're going to run 70 amps. Going to hit her pretty heavy. Try to get these filled in. Okay, I got a little power there. And don't forget to plug it in. Okay, our mask. Go ahead and cock our hat back. And we'll see if we can strike here. Oh yeah. We got it stuck. Okay, we got a lot of heat on that. I'm not sure how good a bead we got, but I think it'll be satisfactory. We're going to deslag it. hands are a little cold, so it feels good. The heat will creep up into that eventually. Looks like a pretty good flat bead. Let me just give her a couple little taps here so I can get some slag in the eye. The weld's not too hot. This one looks pretty good. Stuff off the interior. I think we're pretty good. So I'm going to try to bring this out a little bit. That was a part that got it really didn't end up out very well. Okay, we need to go over that just a little bit. The piece is nice and hot now. Still feels good though. Alright. Okay, so we are going again. This end needs to be filled. Okay, let me see if we get it around here. I've been using a file. Okay, go over this right here. Okay, that's the last of that rod, and I don't think I'm going to put any more in it. Okay, let me deslag. Okay, too bad. Got a little hot handle now. So let me bring you over. Welds aren't too bad. That's a little, not real good penetration, but we did go in on that side. So we will grind those and we will be on our way to getting it looking nice. Okay, so now we'll work these welds down. I did have to cool it off a little, so it's a little foggy in here. I'm trying to wear a mask. My glasses are steaming up. Okay, we'll hit the other side. Okay, my hands are pretty tired, so I'm probably going to give it a rest. So here's what we've got. Still have some pits left. We still have a pitch to the pole, but it's not too bad. It looks like really the way it was designed. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to probably fill that. Let me put a little more grind on that. Ooh, she's hot now, baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we're going to go ahead and leave it like this. There's going to be a little more smoothing and shaping. It's quite soft after being heated and reheated so many times, so we're going to go ahead and try to temper it. At least this part. I think I can get the whole thing ready, so we'll see. fired up and ready to go. We'll see if we can get them hot. I think I can touch this. Yeah. Okay, we're going to go for it here. Now she looks pretty red. So we're going to get her out of there. We're going to hit the magnet, see how magnetic it is. We've got a magnet here, which you're not going to be able to see. It'll be alright. Here we go. Good. Okay, here we go. We'll get a file and see how hard it is. Get that out of there. Okay, she looks pretty good. There's rainbow there. So we'll go ahead and test it here. Let me get a file. Hold on. Well, probably not as hard as I'd like, but yeah, it's pretty hard. Yeah, this turned out better there. No complaints, it's the best we can do. Beautiful. Love it. I love that rainbow. So we'll go ahead and temper it now. We'll heat it up with the torch, and we'll get the rainbow going, and we'll let it cool down. After we get it tempered, then we'll put the edge on it. And I do have a handle partially made. We'll see what it looks like with it. Try to get where we see the rainbow come across it. Okay, we're getting some color. A little hard to see because of the pattern. Okay, we'll let it cool down. Okay, we're going to groom this 16-inch throwing handle up a little bit and get it on there just for show. We'll go ahead and just shave that off, then we'll drive it on. We'll just use a big old fresh file. And let's see what we got. Okay. Of course, the wide end goes on first. And we're going to do this this way. And I'll probably put it on the ground now. Down on the rug. Okay, we got a ways to go. Let's get out here where we got a little room. Okay, still not down. This will just be a temporary handle, so we can get some throws in on it. I mean, it's not perfect fit by any means, but it's not what we're looking for right now. Okay, we'll clean it up. And just a little more polishing. Alright. There it is. It's beautiful, it really is. But it's beautiful, it really is. So there we go. We'll get a throw in, and you can see what happens. It's first flight. It's maiden voyage. On where no man has gone before. Okay, let me see what we got here. We'll zoom a little bit there. Alright, let me see what we can do with it. See if we can bust it. Oh, two coats on. See if she'll stick. Catching my stuff on. Primary nets. Can't even move. Oh man. Sunbeam chair. Oh man. Okay, let me try this. Here we go. Dirty bird. Let me try it up here. One more. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, gotta show your stuff. Closed. Oh, they come off the log. Okay, baby, go. One more. Not really sure what I'm doing wrong. Didn't rotate enough, that's for sure. Man, I have to grab her high. Real high. Try it. Well, we're going to have to cheat. I'm afraid. I'm going to have to cheat. I'll try it. Okay, one more time. But it's beautiful. It really is.